panel's not fitting?
Well, no, we purposely cut the lower part of the panel with a lot of overlap because we didn't do a good job of patterning that.
Because it was so curved and the
It's
old
curved.
part's jacked, so.
Right. So
You
we
kind of
actually.
blend it in?
Pardon? Oh, we're going to cut it.
Yeah, we'll trace it.
Okay. So I need. Why is this not moving forward? Can you man that butterfly clamp?
Yes, sir.
You got to figure out why
We're binding somewhere.
we're binding. We are binding.
Whoa!
This work.
Is it in that place?
No, it was right here.
There we go.
It was right here.
There,
you
now
go.
you're in.
All right, let's tighten that up. You got your hand right there. Just go ahead and twist
it.
away. Yeah.
It's not the easiest spot to get into, but
Here, I'm left-handed.
yeah.
Except this is my right hand. Now we got it. Actually, help would be bad. Now that we have that,
Oh, you pulled out. I think it's like 39,000, something like that.
okay, so it's fairly thin
It's
wheel.
a thin wheel, yeah.
So in other words, once we get this thing into place, we can actually run the grinder through, and we're going to end up with the right size gap. Right?
Yeah,
Did I say that right?
I think so.
Feels like it. I'm going this way.
You got it. Wow. That actually looks pretty good from this angle,
Pardon?
just watching it. Like you align it. It's really neat watching it line up.
It is kind of cool, isn't it?
That's why this set of videos, man, everybody's gonna be like, I shouldn't have been so scared of a breeze. Well, it wasn't really a breeze, it was a
Oh, it was a
freaking
wind.
snowstorm.
Well, it's also Valentine's Day.
People didn't come because they were afraid of the wind?
I'm gonna just plead the fifth, because
Are you kidding? No?
No, I wish we were.
Oh, wow.
I mean, I've driven through floodwaters to get here, but then I'm probably stupid.
hey, you're my favorite stupid person, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
You make stupid look good.
Do I? Okay.
Wow.
No, there's some of us who are more
Resilient.
intrepid, resilient than others.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
so
get
you
it.
see what I'm saying here? I think we can actually use this. Let's get a couple more clamps in it so that it's snugger.
Snugger.
Yes.
You gotta pull that.
Yeah, we gotta do some bang. We gotta do a little bang bang.
We don't have to do it right away.
No, we can bang bang
I
later.
just was more.
We could actually stitch part of it, line it up, and
Right.
bang bang to
That's what I'm thinking.
bang bang to conform,
You weld part of it to get it stable and then weld more?
and then bang bang.
Yep, that's what we're thinking.
Sorry if I'm asking a whole bunch of stupid questions.
No, all these are very
No,
valid
these are
questions.
good questions.
What I was going to say at the end of it, I was going to say that your questions tonight have fostered a lot of good conversation.
Oh,
And
Yes.
I think it's
I'm like,
fabulous that you do that.
I'm a total newbie, so I'm like,
No, and that's what.
No, and
this
this is exactly so.
That's the whole point of this class and this whole deal.
Yeah, that's what.
Is
this is
so
for.
everybody learns.
Yes.
You know, some of us have been around this stuff most of our lives, and other people haven't.
I was just around this stuff when I was a teenager, helping my brother rebuild
Yeah.
his cars.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
he gave me, scrape this.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Yeah.
not rebuild engine, not,
I haven't done an engine yet. I will.
We'll be
But I've
doing
done
one.
Some of this stuff I've done.
Are you getting frustrated,
Upholstery,
Sherman?
convertible tops.
upholstery.